Hi everybody, I'm Tom Elliott with John Deere, and today we'll show you how to use a manure fork in and around your horse barn. Like we said before, if you have livestock, then you've got manure. And in the equine world, that probably means some of that manure is in hay, on the floor, in your barn. Well, that's just the problem a manure fork is designed to solve. Frontier AM20F manure forks have working widths of 50 or 60 inches, are 21 inches high, 24.7 inches deep, and use 7 tines to remove manure-filled hay or bedding from inside your barn or stalls. We've matched this 50-inch model with a John Deere 1025R compact utility tractor with an H120 loader. This small tractor and manure fork package is perfect for working in a tight space, like in and out of a horse stall. This tractor also came with a factory-installed John Deere 260 backhoe, which provides plenty of ballast for any implement we might use with this tractor. The key to using a manure fork in this setting is to run the tines as close to the ground or barn floor surface as possible. Outdoors, you might even penetrate the surface. Just be careful not to disturb any foundation base layer in the stall or barn. Make sure the weight of the material is as centered as possible on the bottom and close to the back of the fork. Before lifting, make sure the fork is completely under the load and tilted back slightly. You should also decide exactly where you want to dump each load before you start. Ideally, you'll put it in a compost pile nearby so you can let it decompose until it's ready to spread on your pasture or garden or to share with your neighbors. When it comes to fertilizer, there's really nothing better than properly composted manure. These Frontier manure forks and nearly 600 other implements are available only from your John Deere dealer, the place to go for advice and equipment. So remember, for implements that help turn your tractor into the workhorse it was built to be, think Frontier and your John Deere dealer.